One of the propagandas that I will never fall for when it comes to Haitian food is that Haitian food cannot be healthy. And you find people making a lot of excuses when it comes to Haitian food, as if Haitian food cannot be healthy, they cannot lose weight because of Haitian food, or they cannot be on their health journey because they love Haitian food. Let me tell you that Haitian food can be super healthy if you know how to make it. The problem with us is like we do a lot of excess of spices, excess of salt, excess of oil, and this is why you cannot reach your goal. So I did the exact same thing with this chaka recipe. If you never heard of chaka, it's one of the traditional Haitian soup that you need in your life. Okay, this soup carries so much history and a lot of flavors. The only thing I did different with my soup is like instead of blending my APs with extra virgin olive oil, because that's the oil that I use water. And in the broth, I only use less than a tablespoon of oil. Listen, the food still tastes absolutely amazing. Like I said, being very conscious of the spices, the oil that you use can make your food really healthy. And please watch your portion. And this is my chaka, and it was absolutely amazing. As you can see, I kept the recipe really simple. I did not use pork in this recipe, and the oil was very minimal. And I also used half a tablespoon of butter, and that was it. It was absolutely tasty and amazing. I also wanted to plate it traditionally. There's something about eating chaka and a kui that remind me of my ancestors and everything that it stands for. Thank you for watching.